How to create a TikTok shop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a TikTok shop, first and foremost make sure that you are the resident of the following country. It is only available in Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, UK and USA, also Vietnam. So if you are not a seller from these countries, sadly TikTok Seller Center or the TikTok shop is not available for you. Now, if you are the seller from one of the country, you can easily sign in to TikTok Seller Center or sign up with a TikTok account or email or even phone number. Then select the country. You can choose the type of business you want to set up as your TikTok shop. There are a couple of steps you need to perform to verify your information, such as you will have to set up your shop's warehouse or pickup address. You need to provide a country or region and provide a street address for your business. Enter the name of a preferred contact person, enter your postcode and your phone number. You also have to provide the TikTok shop with a return address for your shop. Then, check the box to agree to the relevant terms and conditions. Then, click on Start Your Business. After which, you will have to submit some of the verification documents as well. If all of this are complete, you'll be able to set up a TikTok shop. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.